Sneakerheads, how you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got a little bit different. What we got? Another unboxing, yes, sir. Before I
Yeah.
get into the, we're gonna talk about a little bit. So, if you don't know, sneakers have been sitting, and this is the great time if you a sneakerhead to take advantage of the market. As you know, planes have been going on sale. And so I've been wanting these shoes for a long time, believe it or not. And I'm gonna give you all a little tease right now, but these are not Jordans. But guess what? These shoes retail for more than Jordans. These shoes retail for $250. But again, like I said, I don't want to pay that high retail price on these, so I was waiting for them to sit. And guess what? Found a sale on Detail R, and I got these for $99. Then, with shipping taxes, I probably paid like 116. Anyway, that's enough about me ranting on my rant. I'm going to open these bad boys up. Check out what these got. Again, like I said, I am getting older, so I am looking for more comfortable shoes. And this is one of the silhouettes I did have my eye on.
Drum
Hope
roll.
I didn't get the KO like this. I'm surprised to see this plain box right here. If y'all see it, my size 10. The colorway reads Nike Air Max Scorpion. So, which colors that I get? The black / anthracite. So, I'm not sure if I know we haven't seen these on our channel, but let me pop up these bad boys. Make sure I got my new money over here. So, these in again called the Black Scorpions. Like I said, I've been wanting to try these for a while. I do know a friend of mine, he has these, and he said that these are the most comfortable shoes he's put on feet. But I'm going to be rocking these for like at least 30 days straight. And I'm going to hit y'all back with a review of these shoes, let you know how they wore out. It basically has that max cushion throughout. Yeah, you see it. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
Max boost, max air, max everything, as you want to call it. Triple black. I know my brother, he already has a pair of triple black Yeezys, so I know
Yes,
he
sir.
don't need these. But like I said, I had my eyes on these for a long time. I hope that they are comfortable. Right there on the side, you'll see it says Nike Air Max. It does feature that prime knit material. It's supposed to be real comfortable on your feet. It does have that rope laces. What do you think about these, my brother? Have you seen these before?
No, I haven't seen those before, but my question is, I wonder how's the ventilation. You know what I mean? It look like you can get some good, ventilation through that material. Yeah. Is it a flexible shoe?
Mm, Actually, no. It seems pretty
Okay.
hard.
Yeah.
But there's a lot of air on it.
Mm-hmm.
And I will be doing an on feet review of these as well and give y'all on feet look of these scorpions. I can't wait to rock these on feet. Some other little details it does have on it. It does have this little max. It does say right there, max right there, and well as the toe box. It has like little dots that say max.
Mm.
You can see it's prime knit, and you right there at the toe. Those are breathable. So I guess you have to have clean socks, so you'll be able to see your feet through there.
Yeah, that's what
But
I'm saying. It got.
this is like a vented area right here. It's
Mm-hmm.
all like it's basically like goes right through the shoe.
Yeah.
It does have this soft primal knit route, and then it does feature that around here, like it's a little bit thicker material for that support.
Hmm.
But again, I probably already saw these, but again, I've been waiting for over a year to probably get these in hand. I know there's other colorways out there, but this is my first one. I'm gonna be rocking these soon. Put these on feet probably on Friday, and I'm gonna hit y'all back and let y'all know how they feel, how they wear out and stuff like that. Let you know this max boost is it worth it. But right now, you want these, you can go to DTLR and get them for $100. They do have another colorway. So the other colorway that I saw was pretty much black at the top, except for this bottom was all gray. But I just couldn't really tell how that gray looks on there. It looked like a light gray, and it just didn't. At least on the pictures, it didn't look that good. But I do know that there's one of my favorite one is a gray pair. It does have that green in there. I would like to get those as well. So I'm hoping these work out for me. I do plan to get on another pair. Another nice pair is called the Breads. They do have, it's basically all the same colorway as this, except for the Nike Swoosh is in red. So I do think that's a nice touch too. And like I said, we will be doing an on-foot review. And after I wear these for a long time, I'll hit you back and let you know are they worth it. But for $99, I can't beat that. So let me know in the comments, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? And if you do have it in your collection, let us know. How do you like these Nike Air Max Cobras? It does
Yes,
feature
sir.
that max bubbles, the most maximum air that you can get at this time. Again, crazy outsole. It's just crazy. Look, I can just put my finger right through here. That's how big the bubbles are, and they separate from the shoe.
Yes,
My finger
sir.
just goes right in here. Look at it. This is crazy. I can't wait to. And you know, I'm short, so you know, might be give me a few inches.
Yes, sir.
Stand up tall and represent.
Yes, sir. Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you bless,
Hey, bless others, please.